Good morning, student. Myself Santosh Kumar Srivastav. Today we are going to drive lens maker formula. There are two conditions. We will obtain the formula of lens maker. First is when medium are same both side of the lens. Let a thin convex lens which wide is t and its refractive index is nu with respect of air. P1 and P2 are the surfaces of the lens and its radius of curvature are R1 and R2 respectively. Let an object placed on its principal axis O from the surface P1 at u meter distance. The object OA, the light ray OA incidence at point A, and after refraction when it entered from rarer medium to denser medium in lens, then it bent towards the normal N1AC1, and after refraction when it exiting from the second surface, then it goes far away from the normal N2 A dash C2 and meet on a principal axis I. Another light ray O C incidence perpendicular to the surface and after refraction it passes and without any deviation it goes in straight way meet at point I dash. I dash is the image of the object O. I dash is the image of the object O. This image is virtual image. That is why we can, for the first surface, we can write here N nu upon V dash. Image is formed at B distance from the surface P1 minus 1 upon U is equal to nu minus 1 upon R1. This is the equation number first. But this image act as virtual object for the second surface of the lens, so that the real image are formed at I. Real image is formed at I of the object I dash from the second surface. Thus, from second surface, this is for first surface. ये for second surface. we can write here 1 upon nu. Why? Because first of all, for first surface the light ray travel from air to glass, and from second surface, and for second surface the light ray travel from glass to air. So a z n a is equal to 1 upon z a nu z. Thus we can write here 1 by 1 upon nu upon image is formed at b distance. So we can write here v minus 1 upon distance of object from the surface P1 is b dash minus t. T is the wide of the lens. So distance of object from the P2 is b dash minus t. You can hear this distance is b dash and t is the wide of the lens. So P2 is b dash minus t, v dash minus t, that is equal to 1 by nu minus 1 upon R2. Then if we solve it, 1 by nu v minus 1 by v dash minus t is equal to 1 minus nu upon R2. So if we solve it, then we will get in next step 1 upon nu b minus 1 upon b dash minus t, that is equal to, if we take common minus, then we will find that nu minus 1 upon nu R2. This is the equation number 2. On multiplying with nu both side of the equation, we will get nu upon nu v minus nu upon v dash minus t is equal to nu minus 1 upon nu R2 into nu. You can see here nu cancel to nu, here is also nu cancel to nu. Then we will get 1 upon v minus nu upon v dash minus t is equal to nu minus 1 by R2, nu minus 1 by R2, nu minus 1 by R2. But lens wide of the lens t is very small, because lens is very thin, so that t can be the value of t can be neglect. Thus if t is negative 0, why? Because lens is very thin, then we will get 1 upon b minus 1 upon v, 1 upon b minus 1 upon minus nu upon v dash is equal to minus nu minus 1 by R2. This is the equation number 3rd. Adding equation number 3 and 1, then we will get 1 upon v minus nu upon v dash is equal to minus nu 1 minus 1 upon R2 and 1 upon nu upon v dash minus 1 upon u is equal to nu minus 1 upon R1. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 3rd. If we add, then we will get nu upon b dash is cancelled to nu upon b dash. We will get 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is equal to nu minus 1 by R1 minus nu minus 1 by R2. Nu minus 1 by R2. 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. Nu minus 1 is taken common. Then we will get in bracket 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. If the object placed at distance infinite, then the image formed at the second focus of the lens. If we will put these value in this equation, we will get 1 upon f minus 1 upon infinite is equal to nu minus 1 in bracket 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. Thus 1 upon f is equal to nu minus 1 upon R1 minus 1 upon R2. This is the lens maker formula for thin lens. When lens placed in such condition, the medium of the lens are same of both sides of the